Ayan, nagmamasid ang alaga ko. Nilabas ko siya yun. Katanaw sa baba. What can you see below? Yay! There are bicycles. There are park bicycles below. There. You see this? Whoa! You see, look at that. Look at that below. There's a ghost. There's a ghost. Below there? Woo! Do you see those? Woo! Huh? Wala, do you see the ghost there? It's looking up here. Oh, they're looking up to you. No, there, the ghost below. Can you see that? There. There below. The ghost. Ooh. Hello. Look at that. Alright, let's go inside. Madali lang siyang boring. Ayaw niyang mag-stay ng matagal sa isang lugar. So, kailangan talagang itulak kung saan-saan. Ito ang aking little losay. Sa Cantonese, ang losay is boss. Pero yung batang yung bunso naman, silo. Tapos yung ate naman is gache. So siya, si Silo, pag binaliktad mo yung tawag sa kanyang Silo na losay, siya yung boss. Ganun yun. Katok na lang makititan. Ayaw ko kasi paharap. It's really cute. Pero ayaw ko kasi yung na-expose sa video ko yung mukha niya. Okay. We go outside and look around. Dito kami sa labas ng Double Cove. Ano lang, magtingin-tingin sa labas para mapagod lang siya. Tapos uwi, papatulogin ko na siya. Tapos mag-prepare na ng for dinner. Actually, ito yung yung papuntang beach. Yung mga nagbabalak pumunta ng Lucasia Beach. Dito kayo sa Double Cove. Papunta sa beach. Kung alam niyo yung yung ba to? Yung Lionhead ba yun? Ayan, maganda doon kasi pwede kayong maligo. Kaya lang walang banlawan. Pero pwede kayong maglangoy lang. Ah? Do you want to go further or you want to go back? Asa lang. It's nice. You just look around. We seldom come here.